Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to do a fun Depop haul and just unpackage all of these items that just came in. So if you guys are excited for that, make sure you subscribe before you get into the video, but without further ado, let's get into it. I personally want to start with the huge package first. Now, these are some gorgeous looking boots that I saw on Depop. This is what the listing looked like. So freaking cute, right? And I know it's like off season, but here's the tea. These were originally $725 and I got them for $120 from the seller. Girl. Okay, they already look so freaking good. Holy crap. Okay, so this is the brand Reike. I'm gonna have to just put it in the description down below. These are what the boots are looking like. Look at how buttery and soft that leather is, and look at how cool the little logo is on them. So I think based on the photos, you can kind of unbuckle the sides and have the fur kind of hanging out. And the fur is only like on the top portion of it, which is kind of perfect for me because I live in California, so it's never gonna be that cold. So it does give you a little bit of height, which I thought was interesting, but it's also like that support where it's like not a full-on heel. So these are what the boots are looking like. I paired it with this like flowy dress that my boyfriend got me for Christmas, and I just feel like it's so cute and like wintry. And I love how spacious this is because as a girl who has wider calves, it fits so well. So I love that. The heel is super comfortable. I wanted to also show you how easy it is to just like flip these into a kind of like a shorter boot and just have it be more open. This is the next item. It's in a big fat package. We had a fatality, but this one stayed together. This is very cool looking. And then they left a note. I love when sellers send like such cute notes because it makes me feel so good about purchasing. I'm like, no, you have a good day. This is OG Abercrombie and Fitch. So cute, right? Oh my gosh, I love the detail on it. There is a little bit of pilling. Obviously it's like an older item, but I do have like those little machines that you can just rub over it and get rid of the pilling. But oh my gosh, like the coziest, cutest little sweater. I got this for $60. This is what this cute little sweater looks like. So comfy and cute. Like, oh my gosh, I want to just be wrapped up. Like, I'm ready for fall, you guys. Let's skip over summer because it's fall time now. This is the next item. So it's like a bubble skirt. I thought that was so freaking cute. And the brand is called Moco Buing. It's like a Korean brand apparently. So I'm like, when would I ever get that? Cute. I love the bubble skirt. I feel like it's gonna make for like a really chill everyday fit, but like elevated, you know what I mean? And this material is like so soft. And then I love that this also has pockets because I feel like that's gonna come in clutch. I decided to get on a step ladder for this so you guys could see a little bit more of the skirt. It is super, super cute. I might even wear it with like a cardigan or like a t-shirt, like a plain white t-shirt with like a little cardigan buttoned over it would be so cute. I feel like it's super flowy, it's breathable. I like the doubled up material on the bottom because it creates like a nice little shape, you know, when I walk around. It's so soft and such a nice material as well. So love it. This next item I thought was so cute. Look at how cute the little like heart packaging is. This person was like a full-blown like they've been selling for a minute vibe. This is just a vintage looking top that I thought was so cute. Oh my gosh. And I took a risk on it because the seller was selling it for $90. But I was like, when will you find a piece like this again? You know what I mean? Like it fit her so good and I feel like we have a similar build. This came in such cute packaging. It had this wrapped around it, which is like a little thank you note. Now this is the thing is I love putting like turtlenecks under tops like this. I feel like I might style it like that. But in the summer, you know, just completely wear this and have that be the vibe because this is so freaking cute. I love how delicate the details are on this, like oh my gosh, and the tie front is so adorable. So this is the fit I came up with for this little top. It's so cute. It fits perfectly, which is great. I decided to pair it with this long jean skirt because I feel like this would be cute, and then like some cute like docks or something for the shoes would be adorable. This is the next piece that I got with this lovely snake print vibe. These are kind of like the trendy style of shorts that I feel like people are wearing these days, like very like poofy looking. This is what the listing looks like. So cute. I don't know what to wear during the summer because I always just wear like jean shorts and like regular bottoms, but I feel like I want to go for like a different type of short, you know what I mean? So this is from the brand Shushu Tong, which I've become obsessed with because ever since I found these, I've started down the rabbit hole of like all the cute stuff they come out with. So I got these for $100. I feel like they do look really cute. They need a little bit of an iron because they are a little wrinkly, nothing wrong with that. I love the trim on this. I feel like it is very roomy because my fear with these is that like this is like baby size, you know what I mean? And then it's like I can barely fit in it. But this I feel like is gonna be perfect for me. This is what the shorts are looking like. Keep in mind they are a little wrinkly, okay? Chill. But I feel like they do look super cute. I love the like puffy fit, you know what I mean? The only thing is where are the pockets? But that's okay, we will manage. We'll carry a little bag with us. But this is just, yeah, an example of the type of fit that I would wear with this. The next two items I'm gonna open kind of together. These are the little packages. This is the bottoms. I got these for 55 bucks. The picture isn't that good, but I just thought like for the summer, a little fit like this would be so cute. This is the top. So cute. This is the bottoms, and then this is what the top looks like, and both of these are brand new, so obviously I know they probably upcharged me like crazy, but I just wanted it. It was so cute. And then it's like I found the top and the bottom. Like these are kind of hard to find. I was looking all over the internet for these afterwards because I was like, should I buy these or should I just wait? And I couldn't find it anywhere, so I had to get it. I feel like the eye makeup does not go with this, but this is what the fit is looking like. I feel like it's so cute and cozy, you know? Like imagine just a summer beach trip, or like even just out running errands, you know, with like just an oversized something over it. This is actually just a baby tee from Old Navy, but look at how cute the print is. Now hear me out, okay? I feel like I love a sassy shirt, you know what I mean? I feel like it reminds me of like Britney Spears, and I wanted to be her bad in the early 2000s. So this is what the top looks like. It's so cute. It's an XL, but like I feel like it'll just fit very flowy. So adorable. And then it says #1 on the back, so it's kind of like a little sporty tee. And I just thought this was so cute, so I had to get that. And honestly, it wasn't too expensive. It was 25 bucks. And then they sent me this extra shirt, which is interesting. I'm back on my step stool. This is what the fit is looking like. I paired the top with my Anna Sui Levi's, and I just wanted to give you the full fantasy, you know what I mean? But yeah, it just fits like a really nice baby tee, and it is a little bit loose, but I don't mind that because I feel like for me, that's my preferred setting. Well, the tee is, I feel like they sent me a larger style since I ordered the extra large, and this is in a large, but this doesn't have the same fit as the other tee. Like this is just a regular shirt, and it's looking massive, but you know, maybe on a casual day, I don't know. I might try it on just to see what it looks like, but this is a little surprise tee. This isn't exactly the look for me, I'm not gonna lie. If this was like a little bit lower, it would be cute. Or if it was like a high up, just regular baby tee, but it looks a little bit weird, no? You guys will have to let me know what you think down below. Okay, so that is it for today's video, you guys. I have become obsessed with Depop, and I just feel like I find really unique stuff to fill my closet with that will like have good materials, last, you know what I mean? So I'm really excited with all the pieces that I got. Let me know what you guys are looking for on Depop. Like, are you guys obsessed the way I am? Because I need help. But I am starting to list stuff too, so I'm excited about that because, you know, we can't be buying without selling, you know what I mean? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know down below what your favorite piece was from today, and don't forget to subscribe before you go, like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!